Deadlocks here again, and today I've got some probably 1970s Clejuso 12r. I'm going to try to escape from these today using no tools.
No tools?
No tools.
Can I check? Can you show me your hands? Show me your mouth. Under your tongue.
Sure. That's where I'm at now. I don't have the double lock on, but that would be able to come off without tools. I will talk about that later. Well, I'm not going to do that right now.
Because he's doing something else.
But there's no tool escape of the Clejuso 12r.
You cheated.
I did not. And we'll go to the table now and I'll show you why. As you're saying, there was a no tool escape there. If you have the double lock on, like you've probably seen Coxie's pics, bashing the handcuffs off stuff to knock double locks off, you can actually do that with these handcuffs. But these are in quite nice condition and old. I don't want to do that to them. That's why I skipped that part of the escape. What you had to do to escape is push the bow in, which pushes the ratchet arm down a little bit, push in the double lock slightly, and the double lock holds the ratchet bar down. And that's your out.
Ta-da!
And yes, these were used by the police for quite some time. But not anymore. So don't get arrested in Germany, you won't escape.
Dun-dun-dun.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye! He was having a dance. 'Cause you're a good little boy. Yes, you are.